Hi Seni sisters, it's Milica and I am back with another requested video. Today's requested video is all about your Lipsense applicator tip. I'll give you a little example. Have you ever used your oops remover and the tip of it has just got Lipsense on it, it's got color on it, and it's not clean like this anymore? But you've got plenty left in the tube. Or have you used a color, say for example like this Bravo, and you've just pretty much used the crap out of it and it has no bristles left on it, the fur is gone, it's flat, it's horrible. What do you need to do when you've still got plenty left and you don't want to chuck out the whole thing? You simply replace the tip. So what you do is you just pull it off like so, and then you get one of your applicators. Most of them do fit. And then you take that off, like so. And then you just pop it in here. There you go. Brand new applicator, all ready to go. Back into your Bravo. Bravo. And that's it. Simple as that. So I'd love you to subscribe to my channel. I've got plenty of other videos coming up, and if you have any requests, please comment below into the comment section. Send me a DM, follow me on all my socials, and have a lovely day.